Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I'm here with my Saturday morning makes. But I wanted to hop on real quick with this cute card that I share. Isn't it amazing? I'm kidding. I had recently hauled some fantastic products from PinkFresh Studio, if you guys remember. And Saturday morning makes, using the hashtag SatMornMakes, is an event hosted by Jill Norwood of Greenwood Girl Cards. So I watched Jill's video yesterday and I saw that she had put some beautiful Adorn It stamps in a scrapbook.com storage envelope. I believe she might have been using this one. This is the 7 by 10 inch. Love. I will put a link below. They have been selling out though. If it's sold out, ask to be notified. But you can store not only stamps, a ton of dies. I have one set of Spellbinders dies, like 8 dies in one of these things. They are fabulous. Why are they fabulous? They're structural and they hold their shape. So you can fit a lot, but it's not flopping like a Ziploc bag. And they store well in whatever you put them in. Like if you have a little bin, they'll stand up in the bin and they're not ripping. So this is just a great little item. I've been using them for a while. So in this one, I have the Magnolia Pattern stencil set. This, I believe, is 6 stencils. Then the Magnolia Pattern cling stamp. Love this. It colors like so. Ooh. Then also, I showed you guys this. Oh, she is so pretty. Love. This is the Wonderful Sentiments. I have Wonderful Sentiments hot foil plate, Wonderful Sentiments dies, and the stamps. I use the stamps here and heat emboss. Look at that. Isn't that fabulous? I just love how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. So I just had to play with it. Good things will find you. Hope your day is wonderful. So grateful. Thanks for everything. Let's celebrate, etc. So I use these 2 items to create an A2 card. Here is my card share. In a brushed black A2 envelope by Spellbinders. Love. So the recipient would open up the envelope, slide it out, and this is my card. Don't you love it? It's a top folding A2 card with no sentiment. On here, I stamped, heat embossed as well, and then I used some Altenew ink and PinkFresh Studio ink to do the coloring. Okay, crafters, so here's the reason why I did not put a sentiment here. I left the spot open. I put some pearl, turquoise transparent gem and a light orchid purple pearl. So it's a combination of gem and pearl on this one, matching back to the colorway. But I didn't put a spot here because I am using this like a card that's waiting to go to somebody. I just stamped out a few from this. I tell you, this little set, fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Everything I'm showing you, I'll detail and link below. But look how it just heat embossed and looks so pretty. So then I could put, good things will find you. Wishing you all the best. You see what I'm doing? Then I can come back in and put more gems. But I think the gems, I have enough. That's what I was originally going to do. And I was going to do it about there. But I didn't want to do it as thanks for everything. I didn't want to designate it because I might want to do this too. Hope your day is wonderful. And then do happy birthday. With something like this, the background, you could make a bunch of these. And then if you're giving it as a gift to somebody, maybe give them a box of cards like this. And then cut a bunch of these sentiments too. I have these triple layered. So it's the top layer with the sentiment, 2 layers of 110-pound cardstock. So this is solid. And I could put this in a thing. This would be a great gift to give somebody for all occasion cards. But you don't have to designate it. You could choose also to not put gems on it and make it more flat. I do have this panel a little bit popped off of the card base. Okay. And I decided to go black because I have the black in here and then all the colors. I like the black card base with the matching envelope and the fabulous sentiments. So I'm making my own all occasion card. Pretty though, right? I also got 1 or 2 little new things from PinkFresh Studio. So if you guys saw this, I just want to show this real quick because I was so disappointed by this. This is the set of 6 blending brushes, 1/4 inch round. With a low price point, I can see why. Look how tiny this is. It feels so, look how ridiculous it looks in my hand. I like this from the rabbit hole. See how this is just fits better? So if you saw it, I just wanted to show you what it really looks like because I was not too happy with how tiny and minuscule it is. I prefer like this style too. And I got this one, I think, from Amazon. This is like a detailing brush, and a lot of this was used in here. These style. I have a few different ones because, you know, you have to sometimes shop around to find which one works. See this? That's what was used through the stencil. But this, I pulled it out to use it, and it was so super tiny, and it feels more like an eyeshadow brush, but it's not like really, it just doesn't feel great for continual blending. I like these bigger ones, and this does the same exact thing, but at least it feels substantial in my hand. But if you want something more tiny, this might be perfect for you. I was a little disappointed by it, so I just wanted to show you guys real quick. If you were thinking about it, maybe you want to pass on that one. Pretty box though. Love the storage box. That was another reason why I bought this thing, was the box. I thought it was so pretty because I have these loose or standing in a little thing. But this you can keep in the pretty box, but this was a little disappointing. I just wanted to show you that. And I also got some gems, but the gems, I wouldn't have used it here. This is Ombre Glitter Drops Magic Potion in a green and purple. Then there's this one, Pixie Dust. Just wanted to show you guys because this is so pretty. If you want something really pretty. Starry Sky, love this. Look at that. Isn't that fabulous? Enchanted Forest, pretty too. But they didn't work with this though, the colorway. This one, Sparkling Shine, combination of gold and silver. And then lastly, this one I really love, Glittering Mountains. It's like black and green with a splash of like a gold. You're seeing the back too. Those silver parts are the back. This one is just uber fun and different. Alrighty, crafters, I just wanted to hop on real quick and show you that I did make a card for Saturday Morning Makes, and I have some sentiments ready to go, but I will adhere the sentiment once I'm going to use it. But I think this Magnolia stamp is gorgeous. So you could trim it down like I did here to an A2. You could also do it as a square card. Alrighty, crafters, just wanted to hop on and show you guys that I did make something for Saturday Morning Makes. Until the next video, everything will be detailed and linked below because I did show you a lot. If you got the bigger one, maybe that one is nice. Let me know if you did get the bigger one to this. There is a 1/2 inch one because this little 1/4 inch, no bueno. Not happy. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.